बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हमारा ऐसे है द फाइनल मैच ऑफ द 2023 PSL। The final match of the 2023 Pakistan Super League PSL was played on March 18, 2023 between defending champions Lahore Qalandars and Multan Sultans at Qazafi Stadium, Lahore. This final match was an unforgettable spectacle in which both teams showed excellent cricket performances. After weeks of intense competition, these two best teams were ready to compete in a stadium full of enthusiastic fans. The atmosphere was energetic as the crowd eagerly awaited the commencement of the final match. The anticipation among the teams was also high. The Multan Sultans won the toss and elected to field. Both finalists displayed remarkable skills, teamwork, and determination throughout the tournament. The match swung back and forth with brilliant displays of batting, bowling, and fielding that left the spectators on the edge of their seats. In the closing stages of the match, the excitement reached its peak. The crowd erupted with cheers. The match hangs in the balance between both teams until the very last ball. In the final, the Lahore Qalandars defeated the Multan Sultans by a minor margin of 1. This victory made the Lahore Qalandars the first team in PSL history to successfully defend their title. The final match of the 2023 PSL was not just a cricketing spectacle but a team testament to the spirit of competition and sportsmanship. It showcased the immense talent present in Pakistan cricket and provided a platform for players to shine on the national stage. The match will remain in the memories of fans for years, serving as a reminder of the excitement, drama and unifying power of the Pakistan Super League. ये था हमारा ऐसे। उम्मीद समझ आ गया होगा। वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। अल्लाह हाफिज़।